What's up? It's a beautiful day. Huh, Squidward?
Whoa, Squidward. What's wrong, dude? You sound really sick. Pat Squidward on the back.
Oh no! Are you okay, Squidward? Do you need some medicine or something? I can go get you some from the Krusty Krab.
Whoa, that's like, whoa. North, did he just...
Gross, Squidward. Why'd you go and do that? Now you're gonna attract all the jellyfish.
Man, I bet if we put a Krabby Patty in there... The jellyfish son, less lonely.
Oh, Patrick, you're so funny. Bob laughed hysterically. Oh man, Squidward, now look what you've done. The jellyfish are gonna eat it all up. Guess you won't be getting any yummy puke Krabby Patty sundaes after all.
You better luck next time, buddy. Hi, SpongeBob.